Let's look at an example of an experimental design. So go ahead and take a minute to read the scenario. You can pause and do that. Okay, now let's examine this situation now that you're familiar with it. In this situation, we have experimental units, which are the students attending the middle school. Now, they're going to implement a Career Start curriculum, which would be the explanatory variables. In this case is the curriculum, right? The explanatory was the type of curriculum, that the students receive, right? Or that the teachers use, the Career Start or the standard curriculum, right? So we have some hypothesis that would influence response variables. And in this case, the response variables was what the researchers were collecting data on. And you can see they had some hypothesis that the type of curriculum, right, would have that effect. And the treatment in this case is the curriculum, in the sense that they have a hypothesis that if teachers show students how the topics they learn get used in specific careers, that there would be a change in some of these other aspects. And so that would be the treatment, right? The students are getting one curriculum or the other, and in addition, it's how the difference between that is that treatment part, right? And so when you think about that situation, we want to tie that back into replication, randomization, and control. And in this case, replication, we're using multiple students from various schools participating in the experiment so that we have some sense that our results are meaningful, that we're looking at multiple students, not just a few students. Randomization, in this case, the schools were randomly assigned a curriculum. Remember, this has nothing to do with sampling. We're choosing who. It's the idea of who gets assigned the treatments. And the control in this case is how, in this situation, it's controlling the curriculum for the schools, right? One group gets a school, some schools get one curriculum and other schools get the other curriculum. Something that's not controlled for would be parents ed level, teacher training, and other school resources. That's something that may also influence some of those results.